I want to talk about business credit, and I was going to actually just come up and talk about some business credit vendors. But in all actuality, let's talk about the seriousness of what's going on right now.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, peace, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If you don't know, I do talk a lot about business credit, but really my goal is to help you make money online, help you make money from home, help you understand business credit, just help you plant some seeds to get you going. I'm not a master teacher. I'm not a mentor. I'm just a brother out here trying to get it just like you. And I figure, why not share some of this information if it could benefit you and your family and your peoples and your legacy. So if I give you a seed, plant it, nourish it, and hopefully it blossoms into something beautiful. Anyway, let's get it. Man, look, I want to talk about business credit, and I was going to actually just come up and talk about some business credit vendors. But in all actuality, let's talk about the seriousness of what's going on right now. And I just checked out, as I was getting ready to post this video, I came across JB on Smart Passive Income with JB. He just posted a short video, so check that video out. But, man, the business credit game is changing as well as the personal credit game is changing. If you understand the FICO score and Fair Isaac Credit Reporting Act and all that stuff, you understanding all these different things, then you know that they're moving into a different system. And so the thing is, I don't know exactly where we headed with the economy. I don't know where we headed with the dollar. I don't know where we headed, what currency we gonna use. I don't know. I can give you an educated guess, but I'm just being real and say I don't know. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy time we're living in right now. So then from the flip side of doing the business, you know, a lot of business are affected about what's going on right now. And not to be no conspiracy theorist, but hey, back in October, they did a test run of what would happen if we had a global pandemic similar to what we got going on right now. So I don't believe in coincidences. As well as I'm a big, I'm not no guru when it comes to health, but I do consider myself well studied, so I'm all about people being healthy, man. But the effect of everything got going on right now, it doesn't really make sense to me. The way people are moving and the way things are being said and the information that has presented itself. But I'm looking at the economy and what the economy doing, how the economy is moving, and the business people and the CEOs. You know, if you in tune with that, cool. If you not, you not. But if you know, you know. You know what I mean? So anyway, let's not get caught up on that. Let's get back to the business, even though it's all business. Yeah, things changing in the business credit world. Things gonna change because businesses ain't really making money right now. And why is the bank gonna lend money to people that can't even pay their interest back, so on and so forth? There's a lot of things going on. If you're a grocery store, you probably booming. If you were selling hand sanitizer or something, you probably booming. Or, you know, if you understand how to make money from home because everybody's panicking right now, you may be booming if you have a fire marketing strategy. But people's bank accounts are getting shut down, your credit limits are getting cut, all different type of things. So before I even give you this information, because I'm about to give you this business credit vendor list, and if you want to tag the time limit so you avoid me talking, you can do that. But look, I'm not sure how long the maneuvering like this is going to be in place, but I'm telling you, as of right now, these are some vendors that you can use to get started on your process. You know what I'm saying? Of course, there's more, but let's just go over them just real quick. And I'll put a link in the description if you just want to download them anyway. You know what I'm saying? All right. So always, whenever you hear somebody talking about business credit, they always tell you Quill, Uline, sometimes Granger, because they be, no, Quill, Uline, Granger. Those are like the first three that you hear, okay? So you can see right here, I put all of the vendors up on the side, and on the right side, I put the people that they actually report to, okay? So Quill, Uline, Granger. Keep in mind with like Quill, sometimes people, you know, you want to spend $50 one time. This is for my people who familiar with business credit already. If you're not, man, you got to go check out my step-by-step video where I break everything down to you. But for right now, I'm just going to talk about a few vendors, all right? So Quill, sometimes, you know, you do want to spend $50 one time with them for it to report, wait for it to report. And if you don't have business credit monitoring so you can see when it reports, I'm an affiliate of NAV. It's free for you to download. I get $8 for it, but check it out if you need somewhere to monitor your business credit. But we're not getting into that. We're just going to go through these vendors, all right? So Quill, Uline, Granger, sometimes Quill, you have to pay $50, or sometimes they try to make you pay $100 a few times before they give you an account. I didn't have that problem, but plenty of people have, so pay attention to that. Uline, Granger, they're fairly simple to get. And if you have like a cell phone with AT&T or something like that, then or your business bank account, that's when you get to using those as references, because some of them will ask for references and you don't have that many accounts. But if you got something going on with your business, even if it's not a credit line, you use them. So Strategic Network Solutions and Summa Office Supply, they're like a similar company. Supply Works, Barnett, Wilmore, they're Home Depot subsidiaries. Just get one of those cards. Don't try to get more than one. Just get one. Global Watch Direct, I haven't used them, but they're a phone company. So Wex fuel cards. You got Quick Trip, you got Circle K, you got 7-Eleven, you got Valero, you got any popular gas station you can think of. Those are actually going to be a lot of Wex cards. So you got to look through the fine print when you're applying, because you don't want to apply for too many Wex cards at one time when you're a brand new business, because they'll get to start making you put down a deposit and all this stuff. Now, if you want to put deposit on a net account, that's your business. I didn't want to. All right, you got Crown Office Supplies, Sunbelt Rentals, Advanced Auto Parts, Office Depot, Staples. I think I had Staples Business Advantage. I forgot what the Office Depot account was called. Got Lowe's Accounts Receivable, that's the black and yellow card. Plus you get a 5% or something like that, 10%, 5% discount when you use the card. These are all net accounts though. So Northern Tool, Pilot, HD Supply, Business T-Shirt Club for Equifax, Laughlin Associates, like a attorney type of deal, lawyers or whatever legal stuff. Gimplers, BP Solutions, Fuelman, Fleet Corps, Arizona Art Supply, got Platt, they're like electrical stuff or whatever. And really, that's all I got right here. There are more vendors that do different things, a bunch of more fuel cards. I didn't get into really revolving cards. These are just net 30 vendors. I do talk about revolving and Sam's Club, of course, as you already know. But look, I just want to make this a quick video. Business Credit 2020, I don't know where we going, but if you need the vendors, here's a list of vendors that this should be more than enough to help you get started, family. And I'll put like a little download link or something if you just want to have this, or you can just go through it, screenshot it. You know what I'm saying? And it's too easy.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Where's the money?